welcome. Today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now here I'll set the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest speaker volume of our device, the value here on this display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our device reached 113.6 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.